Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Civic level, engaging the parking brake and blocking the rear wheels to secure the car. Put on safety glasses and gloves, remove any jewelry. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal first to avoid a 12V short. Gather tools, 10mm, 12mm, 14mm sockets, a ratchet, extension, swivel, and a torque wrench set to 35 ft-pounds for reinstallation. Have replacement starter, penetrating oil, and a small pry bar ready. Work in daylight or a well-lit garage for safety and accuracy. Raise the front with jack stands for clearance and remove the engine undercover if present. Locate the starter at the lower passenger side, bell housing under the engine. It sits near the transmission and has a heat shield. Spray mounting bolts with penetrating oil if needed. Remove the heat shield first, then disconnect the small solenoid connector and the 12V battery cable fastened with a 10mm nut. Support the starter with one hand, then remove the two starter mounting bolts using 12mm and 14mm sockets and a ratchet. Lower the starter carefully. Position the replacement starter into the bell housing, aligning it to the dowel pins and starter flange. Hand thread both mounting bolts first to avoid cross-threading. Tighten the bolts with a torque wrench to 35 ft-pounds to secure proper clutch and flywheel clearance. Reinstall the heat shield, then reconnect the 12V battery cable and the small solenoid connector, ensuring all terminals are clean and tight. Reinstall under tray if removed, lower the car. Reconnect the negative battery and start the engine. Listen for crisp engagement without grinding and check for oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.